Hi, I'm Roger from EVANNEX. Today we're going to be discussing our dual QI charging pad for Model 3. We'll discuss both the features and the installation approach for a product that allows you to charge two smartphones at the same time. The EVANNEX QI charging pad has been custom designed for Model 3. It fits into the charging platform space seamlessly. It provides all the capabilities you'll need to charge two smartphones wirelessly. It's easy to install and easy to use. Let's talk about a few of the features of the EVANNEX QI charge pad. Two wireless charging coils are placed inside a solid core, which is covered by a soft feel non-slip surface, so your phones won't slip. They're divided by a vertical bumper, so you can place two smartphones in place without any problem. A horizontal bumper is used to stop smartphones from sliding into the storage space. There's an indicator, which you may not be able to see on video, but that will light up when charging occurs. On the back, we have two USB cables which plug into the corresponding USB ports on your Model 3. You should note that you can buy a cable splitter so that both of these USB cables plug into only a single USB port, freeing up the other port for other purposes. Removing the OEM phone pad and the hardwired charge connector is very simple. All we do is rotate up the phone platform, push left on this to remove it. We then pull out the charging cable like that. You'll note the pad normally just pops right up, and we just thread it through the bottom and remove it from the USB port. Once the platform is free, we can begin the install of the QI charging pad. Installing the QI charging pad takes just a few seconds. We take the two USB cables and thread them through the openings in the phone deck, pushing the pad into place. We then take the bumper, place it back into its slots, and push to the right. We rotate the phone platform up and plug in the USB cables